Hey folks, today is Tuesday, August 6th, 7:06 p.m. My name is James, and let's take a look and see where we're at right now. So today was a bounce. I kind of thought there might have been one coming up. The S&P is hitting this support level, which is back from the October consolidation before we really drove down in December there. So that's holding up for now. The 200 days right underneath there as well. But like a lot of this downside has been news driven. So I've mentioned in these videos in the past that whenever we get China tariff news, the market is just stuck obeying that stuff. So you get panic selling, you get, what we're seeing right now, basically the whole market just sells off. So the market is basically submitting to the China tariff stuff, basically. So that's where we're at. So if we get more news, it's going to go lower, basically. If we get no news, maybe we'll consolidate and be able to climb higher. I don't really know at this point. I'm still staying out, but I'm going to show some stocks today that are holding up pretty well in the downside. So the NASDAQ is the same, sold down to a support, holding on. Dow to the 200-day, holding on. And then the Russell, same thing, down to a support level now and kind of pausing. So, we'll see. I think we just need to wait until we can, see what the market does, if it consolidates, and then we can pull out of that, or maybe there's a V bottom, but need more time to see what's going to happen, basically. So I'm going to zip through these and just show you what I'm looking at. American Towers in this nice ascending triangle. It's climbing up to the highs. I looked it up. American Tower really has no connection to China at all. It has no real estate in China. It has no business in China. It's completely disconnected from that. And it's beginning to climb. And it already had earnings on July 31st. So that's one to keep an eye on. I don't know about some of these other ones, but I know that one doesn't. Safe has a nice ascending triangle. Shopify still looks really good in its ascending triangle. It's holding up really well. Jazz, ascending triangle. It reported earnings after the close today, so keep an eye on that. Stone, ascending triangle. Carvana came down to the lower line of this pattern and held on. INCY with a nice big ascending triangle. Planet Fitness in a nice big symmetrical triangle. It's holding on really good. Tandem, and again, nice big symmetrical triangle. It just got through its earnings and didn't get dropped or break out of the pattern. It's still staying in the pattern, so that's pretty good. Revolve is in a nice falling wedge. Trade Desk is forming possibly an ascending triangle, and then MDB is in this like descending channel with a possible falling wedge right here. So that's what I'm looking at. I wouldn't make any trades right now, but that's what we're seeing. Give it more time. I'll see you in the next one.